How to fix double billing in Bitdefender subscription. An extremely rare case of double billing is the situation of charging a customer twice for the same Bitdefender product or service. This may happen if a. You accidentally purchase Bitdefender more than once. b. Your existing subscription is auto-renewed and you also purchase a new Bitdefender subscription, separately. What to do if you are billed twice? Bitdefender struggles to find the solution that best fits your needs, so if you are billed twice, you can either activate one of the codes on a different central account. You can share one of the subscriptions with the dear ones. Merge both activation codes into a single subscription, with extended validity. Or contact Bitdefender support for help. Merging activation codes. To combine the validity of 2 or more activation codes, follow the steps below. In our example, Bitdefender has an existing subscription for Bitdefender Total Security, 518 days left. Bitdefender wants to add on top of it a code for Bitdefender Internet Security, valid for 3 months. After the merge, Bitdefender will have Bitdefender Internet Security, valid for 608 days. Sign into Bitdefender Central. Select the My Subscription section in the sidebar. Click the activation code button, then type in the second code. Click Apply to merge the 2 validity periods.